Algebra 2 EOC practice test number 7. Jamie deposits $627 into a savings account. The account has an interest rate of 3.5% compounded quarterly. So this is important, and this is important. Write the function that gives the amount of money in dollars J of t in Jamie's account t years after the initial deposit. Enter your answer in the space provided. Okay, so like one of the other questions, we know that it's going to be written as J of t. That's just the name of the function. So we can go ahead and write that here. All right, so first thing we need to do is remember what is the compound interest formula. So the compound interest formula is A equals, the amount equals the principal times 1 plus your interest rate over the number of compounds raised to the number of compounds times time in years. All right, so that's our formula. That's an N if you can't read it there. All right, so we just need to figure out what we are given. So it says Jamie deposits $627 in his savings account. Okay, so that's the initial deposit, $627 times 1 plus. Now we need to know what is the interest rate. The interest rate is 3.5%. So 3.5% equals what as a decimal? So we have to move that over 2 places. So I'm going to have 0.035. So our interest rate is 3.5%. In the equation, we're going to put it as 0.035 because we have to turn that into a decimal. All right, quarterly. Quarterly means it's compounded 4 times in 1 year. So N is 4. And then 4, our N here and here are the same. And then times how many years? All right, write the function that gives the amount of money in dollars in Jamie's account t years after the initial deposit. So we're going to leave this as t. All right, so now all we have to do is write our equation here. So $627 times 1 plus 0.035 over 4 times 4t. So we have J of t is just the same. That's our amount, but they wanted to write it in J of t in terms of t years. So we have J of t equals this equation raised to the 4t power, so in terms of time. All right, so number 7, that is your answer.